Welcome back to another episode of Wearing Things I Only Thought That I Would Ever Wear When I Became Skinny, Part 36. It was such a wonderful time being able to attend my very first Renaissance fair, and I got to live out my Barbie princess dreams in this very cute fairy queen outfit with the beautiful butterfly mariposa wings. I was a huge fantasy nerd who constantly read about kingdoms and beautiful princesses and fairy queens. So to be able to live this childhood dream out in IRL was such a wonderful experience. And to be the representation that I never had was just an incredible, incredible feeling. And I will continue to wear outfits that make me feel wonderful and beautiful inside and out. And this, on top, was thrifted, so it makes it even better. Your body deserves the utmost respect. Wear the outfit.